Hello, my name is Taylor Gardner, and today I will be presenting potential Medicare and Medicaid savings for hair and skin drugs by adopting the Mark Cuban cost-plus drug company model. So, to address the escalating healthcare expenditure, especially in dermatology in the United States, a study focused on the substantial role of national healthcare spending, especially in programs like Medicaid and Medicare. This paper focuses on hair and skin drugs, vital for dermatologic and cosmetic conditions, and attempts to find different avenue for decreased prices for Medicaid and Medicare. And we thought that Mark Cuban's cost plus drug company could be a potential avenue. So we looked into that to see if the prices for Medicaid and Medicare, if they use Mark Cuban's drug company, would be substantially different or not. Mark Cuban started this company in 2020, and it is an online pharmacy that's aimed at transparently decreasing drug prices for patients. So we conducted a cross-sectional analysis that looked at the 29 hair and skin drugs that's found on Mark Cuban's website, and we compared that to the 2001 Medicaid and Medicare spending data. We basically found the unit price for each unit that Medicaid and Medicare use, and we compared that to the unit cost for Mark Cuban's drug company. So we found that overall spending in 2021 on the selected drugs was $1.04 billion for Medicare and $565.1 million for Medicaid. And then if they adopted Mark Cuban's drug company prices, the potential savings were $214.7 million for Medicare and $49.7 million for Medicaid. And we found that in our individual drug analysis that fluticasone propionate had a substantially decreased cost if they use Mark Cuban's drug company rather than what the drug company they're currently using. So table 1 has all of the 29 drugs that we looked at listed. And then to the left of the chart shows Medicare's spending and the percent difference between Mark Cuban and the current Medicare spending. And then on the right of the chart, we have Medicaid spending. And then we have the percent difference between Mark Cuban's drug price adoption and Medicaid's current prices. So at the bottom, we found that we found total spending for Medicare versus Mark Cuban and total spending for Medicaid versus Mark Cuban's drug prices. And we have 10 drugs, individual drugs listed, and then the blue shows Medicare and pink shows Mark Cuban's drug prices. And so you can see the price differences between the two. And then to the far left, the fluticasone propionate, that is that bar, and you can see the substantial decrease in pricing. So the study emphasizes the transformative impact of Mark Cuban's drug company pricing strategy in dermatology, offering significant opportunities for cost reduction and improved affordability of dermatological drugs. Despite challenges in pharmaceutical industry profit margins, the findings highlight substantial cost savings and show potential for a more sustainable and efficient pharmaceutical industry within dermatology, urging healthcare systems such as Medicaid and Medicare to explore this promising avenue for affordable medications. And then that QR code at the bottom sends you to a Google Doc where you can see all the references that we used for this study. Thank you so much for watching.